Number 9, f of x is equal to 8x plus 4. The function f gives the estimate height in feet of a willow tree x years after its height was first measured. Okay. Which statement is the best interpretation of 4 in this context? See, whenever we have equation y is equal to mx plus b, this is the slope intercept form, and y is actually f of x. So in this, m is the rate of change for which any of the data is increasing, right? And because this is a linear equation, m is fixed, that is the rate of change, and b is the initial value. So when I say initial value, that means whatever this equation is representing, that value is when we just started the process. That means no input, just the beginning of the process. So in this particular question, we are talking about the height of the tree, right? So that means if it is about the height of the tree, so when input is 0, that means we have just started the experiment, no input is given, then its value is 4. So that means when we started taking the reading for this, the height of the tree was 4. That is what is meant by initial value, right? So let's see what is there. The tree will be measured each year for 4 years. No, no, no. That is the input. Number of years is the input, which is x. See, willow tree x years after. So it is not the number of years. The tree is estimated to grow to a maximum height of 4 feet. No, that is the initial value. That means what was the height of the tree in the beginning? So that is also wrong. The estimated height of the tree is increased by 4 feet every year. When it says increased by 4 feet every year, that means we are talking about the rate of change. And rate of change is m. So 4 is not m, it is 8, right? So tree is increased or decreased, whatever is that, that is the rate of change. So 4 is not the rate of change, so that means this is also wrong. The estimated height of the tree was 4 feet when it was first measured. Yes, because when it was first measured, then input was 0 in the beginning itself. So that is the initial value. So yes, D is the right option.